You guys are getting two listings today. This is 7803 Hillsdale in the Woodbridge master plan community in the middle of Sachse. And this house is extra special. Not only is it on a corner lot, but it has so much square footage downstairs. It has at least 3 bedrooms downstairs, plus the office. Upstairs, all you're going to find is a huge game room, a bedroom, and a full bath, and then walk-in attic storage. Come take a look. I can't wait for you to see this.